Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to dive into something that might surprise you, two countries that seem completely opposite, Jamaica and Finland. But here's the twist, when you look closer, Jamaica and Finland actually have a lot in common. And in this video, we're going to break it all down. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Nature and outdoors. Let's start with nature. Jamaica is all about beaches, rivers, and mountains. Weekends often mean a day at the beach or a hike in the Blue Mountains. Finland has a very different climate, but the same love for the outdoors. With thousands of lakes and vast forests, Finns spend time fishing, skiing, hiking, or just enjoying the quiet of nature. So even though one country is sunny and the other snowy, people in both places feel most alive when they're outdoors. The not-so-difference? Jamaicans cool off in the sea from the hot humidity and sun while Finns cool down by jumping into icy water after a sauna steaming. Next up, music. Jamaica gave the world reggae, dancehall, and ska. Bob Marley alone changed music history, and Jamaica's influence continues today. Finland has more heavy metal bands per person than anywhere else in the world, and it's also strong in folk and classical music. Both countries prove that you don't need a huge population to make a global impact in music. Jamaica brings rhythm and soul, while Finland brings powerful riffs and symphonies. Different styles, but both unforgettable. By the way, if you're enjoying this breakdown, go ahead and hit that like button, it really helps more people find the channel. Now let's talk sports. Jamaica dominates track and field with legends like Usain Bolt and Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce. Cricket and football are also big. And of course, who could forget the Jamaican bobsled team? Finland is huge in ice hockey, ski jumping, rally driving, and Formula One, with Kimi Räikkönen as one of their icons. So while Jamaican athletes are sprinting in the sun, Finnish athletes are skating and skiing across the snow. Both nations are small, but they compete like giants, and the pride their fans feel is the same. Strong cultural identity. Culture is another powerful connection. Jamaica's culture is world-famous, the food like jerk chicken and ackee and saltfish, the language of patois, and the influence of Rastafarianism. Finland has its own equally strong traditions. Saunas are a national treasure, and the idea of sisu, inner strength and perseverance, is deeply woven into their identity. Both countries hold on to their roots with pride. You can spot the Jamaican spirit anywhere in the world, and you can see Finnish pride in their traditions just as clearly. And here's something they really share: determination. Once Jamaicans or Finns set their minds on something, they don't give up. Big impact from small nations. Jamaica has a population of around 3 million, yet its influence in music, sports, and culture is massive. Finland has about 5.5 million people, but it's known worldwide for technology, design, and one of the best education systems on the planet. Nokia was born in Finland, and Finnish schools are often held up as a model for the world. Both countries prove the same lesson: size doesn't limit influence. Even small nations can have a huge impact globally. So there you have it. Jamaica and Finland, two places that seem completely different, but when you look closer, they share so much: a love for nature, world-shaping music, passion for sports, strong cultural identity, and influence way beyond their size. It's proof that the world is more connected than we think, even in unexpected ways. What similarities do you see between Jamaica and Finland? And if you're from either country, what's your experience? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, I read them all. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the channel for more unique perspectives and cultural deep dives.